What's up guys, Infinix, the smartphone brand of Hong Kong based electronics company, launched their latest smartphone in India, and this phone is Infinix S5, launched with a punch hole selfie camera and a quad camera setup. The company has also given a trendy macro camera lens in this camera setup. I have been using this phone for about 20 to 21 days, so here is my review whether you should go for it for the budget price you're paying. I want to thank Hina Communication and our road Chamrajpet Davangere for providing the devices for the review. The design. The front has the trendy punch hole camera design, giving it an excellent 90.5% of screen to body ratio, so that is quite interesting. And the back of the device is made up of a reflective polycarbonate, and it sports what the company calls crystal feather pattern design, and it looks striking and stylish and has a rich hand feel. You don't feel like you're having a low budget camera phone, but it feels like this phone is of some premium segment. Another advantage of having this phone is its weight. It is a lightweight phone. Display. This phone has got a large 6.6-inch 20:9 aspect ratio display, which gives you an immersive display experience, which is ideally suited to watch videos, and you can use it for entertainment. The display quality is also quite decent for this price bracket. You get good brightness, good sunlight legibility and vibrant colors. The only disappointment with the display is it lacks an ambient light sensor, so you will need to adjust to the brightness manually, which is not automated. Software. Infinix custom XOS UI has some useful features like bike mode, one hand support, game mode, do not disturb, eye care and book reading mode. But like a lot of custom UIs, it doesn't pack plenty of bloatware, and it is not quite as simple and clean as stock Android. Performance. This phone gives pretty good performance with a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset under the hood. Day-to-day performance is smooth, but you cannot use this phone to run the games like PUBG. But if you want to play PUBG on this phone, you have to play it in the low graphic settings. Camera. Camera is the main USP of any low budget smartphone, and this phone has a good set of cameras. Decent, versatile quad camera setup at the rear, which packs 16 megapixel primary sensor, 5 megapixel wide lens and a depth sensor and a low light sensor. The smartphone's primary camera clicks decent pictures in the daylight condition, and in bokeh mode the camera detects human faces well. The 32 megapixel selfie camera too takes fairly good selfies in good light conditions. So here are some of the samples that I have taken from this phone. The disappointments with the camera is the macro mode and wide angle shoots offer interesting framing options, but the overall image quality is ordinary. Low light performance is below average, and overall, while the quad camera claim is catchy, but in terms of real world performance, the camera setup is only okay for the price bracket. Coming to another main aspect, that is battery. This phone gives good battery life with a 4000 mAh battery and will give you about 1.5 days of usage on moderate use. Verdict. Overall, the S5 continues Infinix track record of good specifications for the money, and this phone is a decent option to consider if you're looking for a trendy hole punch design so that you can flaunt this phone as a pricey. Many alternatives available in the market, that is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 and Realme 5 and Realme 5S are better than this phone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.